So students, after the studying the physical properties of metals, now we are going to study the next topic, that is the physical properties of non-metals. First we have the physical state. Regarding physical state, we have 22 non-metals in the periodic table. Out of 22, 11 non-metals are gases. There is one only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature, that is bromine. One liquid, that is bromine. Symbol is Br. Atomic number is 35. 10 non-metals we have solid and 11 are gases, one is liquid. So total we have 22 non-metals in the periodic table. Out of 118 elements, 22 elements are non-metals. Next we have the next property, that is the brittleness. Brittleness describes the state that although the non-metals are 10 non-metals are solid, but these solid non-metals when hammered they shatter into pieces. When we hammer them, when we put force by hammering them, then they sheet into pieces. So this is brittleness. Generally diamond, which is the hardest known substance, is brittled into pieces when it is hammered. Phosphorus, allotropic forms of phosphorus, that is black, red, all these phosphorus shatter into pieces when it is hammered. Next we have malleability. Generally malleability is the property of metals. Non-metals are generally non-malleable. So we use the word non-malleable. Similarly, ductility. Ductility is the property of the element to change into wires. Non-metals lack this property and they do not get changed into wires, because in non-metals the malleability and ductility, both properties are near about zero or negligible, because they do not have mobile or free electrons. They do not have mobile or free electrons. That's why they are generally non-malleable and not ductile. Next we have the property of thermal conductivity. Generally non-metals do not have high thermal conductivity, but diamond is the hardest substance having the thermal conductivity. It bears large temperature. Next we have density. Generally non-metals, solids are denser, liquid less denser, gases least denser. So sulfur, being a solid, has high density, which is recorded in the non-metals, that is 2 gram per centimeter cube. Next we have melting and boiling point. Melting point in case of non-metals, that is has the carbon's allotropic form, that is the diamond, having 3873 Kelvin temperature, which is the highest melting point ever. So next we have the electrical conductivity. This is the most important point which is asked in the examination, that all the metals have the non-metals have the property of non-electrical conductors, that is they do not conduct electricity, but there is only one non-metal which conducts electricity, that is graphite. Graphite is the allotropic form of carbon. Because of the presence of a free electron in graphite, it is conducting in nature. So these are the various physical properties of the non-metals which we discussed. Let's have a recapitulate. Physical state, brittleness, malleability, ductility, thermal conductivity, density, melting and boiling point, and electrical conductivity. These are the various points which we discussed regarding the physical properties of non-metals. I hope you all understand well and put it note down on your notebook as the form of notes so that this whole lecture is helpful to you and learn it at home. Try to underline the important things. That's all. Thank you.